n equals 36 and x times x equal x power 2, and then x power 2 minus 36 equals 0. Then we can factorize this expression 6 times 6 36 and write negative and positive. Then the solution set will be 6 and negative 6. Right, negative here, it will be positive and positive will be negative. Question number 2. Letter A, x product by y minus z plus m product by z minus y equal what? We can write y minus z had factor between two terms, the remainder here x and the remainder here m. Question letter B, solution set of the equation x power 2 plus 3 equal 0. Solution set here it will be 5, null set, because we can't find factorizing between x power 2 plus 3. We haven't number product to itself and the e3 equal 0. It's impossible. So the solution set null set here 5. Question letter C, the solution set of the equation 5x power 2 minus 2x equals 0. Write the highest common factor between them x and write the remainder 5x here, subtract by 2 equals 0. We will have x equals 0 or 5x minus 2 equals 0, then 5x will be equal to divided by 5, then x will be equal to over 5. Solution set will be 0 and 2 over 5. Number 3, factorizing each of the following by finding the middle term here about letter E. We have 81x power 4 plus 60 plus 4. We have 4z power 4. We can write middle term. The middle term will be positive or negative 2 square root about first product by 4z power 4. This is the result will be positive or negative 2 product 81 will be 9 x power 2, 4 will be 2z power 2. Right, positive or negative 2 times 2 4 times 9 36 x power 2 z power 2. Okay, then we can write this expression by add and subtract the middle term. Okay, you can write 81 x power 4 here and 4z power 4, right, positive and negative this number 36 x power 2 z power 2 and here 36 x power 2 z power 2. Okay, and then we can write this expression by factorizing. Square root about first will be 9x power 2 and here will be 2z power 2 and write the sign here positive, write power 2 outside, subtract by 36 square root here 6xz whole power 2, and then complete factorizing this expression by repeating this expression 9x power 2 plus 2z power 4, write 9 x power 2 plus 2z power 4, subtract here 6xz plus 6xz. فهمتوا؟ okay, we must know these tips about this expression. Question letter B, x power 2 subtract by 6 xy plus 9y power 2 subtract by 49 a power 2. We have here 9 square root about x power 2x, square root about this number it will be 3y, right, power 2 and right sign here negative, subtract by 4, it was 49 7e all power 2, because 7 power 2 it will be 49, and then we can repeating x subtract by 3y, right, negative and positive 7e and here 7e. It's the result about this question. Find solution set. Here x bar 2 subtract by 5 x equal 14. Write x bar 2 subtract 5x subtract by 14 equals 0, and then factorizing this expression. X times x bar 2, we have 2 times 7 equal 14, 7 be negative and here positive, then x equal negative 2 and x will be equal 7. Solution set will be negative 2 and 7. Model number 5. Number 1, the solution set of the equation x power 2 plus 25 equals 0, it will be null set phi, because we haven't number product itself, and is the result of 25 equals 0, it's impossible. Okay, the solution set will be null set phi. Question letter B, the solution set in R of the equation x minus 1 all power 2 equals 0, then x minus 1 equals 0, then the value of x will be 1. X here will be 1. Choose number 4. Question letter C. If a plus b equal 3 and x minus y equal 5, then a product by x minus y subtract b product by y minus x. We can change the sign here by write negative height cofactor between two terms, negative times negative equal positive, and change x and y, write x minus y, and then write x minus y height cofactor between them, and the remainder here a plus b. He give us x minus y in the example was 5 and a plus b was 3. 3 times 5 equal 15. Then the result here will be 15. Complete letter E, solution set of the equation. In R we have x product by x minus 2 times x plus 3 equals 0. First x equals 0, and here x will be equal 2, and here x will be equal negative 3. We have 3 solutions, 0 and 2 and negative 3. In the opposite figure we have three angles, some of them equal 180. He wants to find the value of x. We can write x power 2 plus 6x plus 108 equal what? Equal 180. Sum of three angles here equal 180. Okay. Then we can move 180 to left hand side and change the sign. X power 2 plus 6x plus 108 subtract 180 equals 0. And then you can write x power 2 plus 6x, write negative, 10 minus 8 equal 2, and 7 minus 0 equal 7. And then we can factorizing this expression. Write x power 2 equal x by x, and we want two numbers, the product of them equals 72. And if we find the difference between them equals 6, we have 6 times 12 equals 72, and 12 will be positive and 6 will be negative. Then x will be negative 12. It's refused because x will be positive, and here x will be 6. Then the value of x equals 6. The value here x equals 6 degrees. Letter C. The expression x power 4 plus 64 y power 4 can be factorizing by using completing the squared by adding the term positive or negative. Write 2 square root about first, product by square root about second term. Write positive or negative 2 product by x power 2, and here 8 y power 4 will be power 2. Then we can add or subtract. 2 times 8 equals 16. 16x power 2 y power 2. Question number 3, factorizing the following. We can solve the example. It's very easy. You can solve it by add and subtract the middle term about this expression. Question letter E, we have x power 4 plus 64 y power 4. You can find the middle term. Write positive or negative 2 square root about first. X power 4 product by square root about 64 y power 4. Then the result here, positive or negative 2, the square root of x power 4 to be x power 2, and here it will be 8y power 2. 2 times 8 equals 16, 16x power 2 y power 2. And then we can add and subtract from this expression. Write x power 4 and 64y power 4. Write positive and here negative. 16x power 2 y power 2, 16x power 2 y power 2. Three terms here. We can write square root about first and square root about third here. It was y power 4. Square root here, it will be 2. And write positive and write power, subtract by 16x power 2 y power 2, this expression. Right. Okay. Square root about 16x power 2 y power 2, it will be 4xy all power 2, and then write x power 2 plus 8y power 2 here, and repeating it, x power 2 plus 8y power 2, and write negative 4xy and the positive 4xy. Okay, solution clear down. Okay, solution clear down here. Question letter B. Yx subtract by 5x subtract by 5y plus 25. We can factorizing this expression by write between two numbers here, write x hat cofactor, it will be y minus 5 subtracted by right 5 hat cofactor, it will be 5 and y subtract by 5 because negative 5 times negative 5, 25. And then you can write y minus 5 hat cofactor between two terms here. The remainder will be x minus 5. Next, last question. The area of rectangle whose length 4 cm more than its width 21 cm. Find its dimension. Okay, we can write the width x and the length will be x plus 4. X here and x plus 4. Okay, and give us the example, the area. The area of rectangle is 21. Okay, area equal length times width. Length times width equal 21. Then x times x power 2, 4 times x 4x subtract by 21 equals 0. You can factorize x by x power 2 and 21 equal 3 times 7. 7 will be positive and here negative. Then the value of x equal 3 and x here negative 7 and defined, refused. Okay, then x will be 3. Then dimension will be 3 cm and x plus 4 equals 7. Then the two dimension will be what you want to find. Two dimensions 3 and 7, 3 cm and 7 cm.